Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting or uninstalling apps on the Amazon Fire HD tablet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the home screen of the tablet, hold down on the app that you would like to uninstall. When the app is selected, tap on the Uninstall option at the top right of the screen. Tap OK on the pop-up that appears. That app will be uninstalled. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Fire HD tips and tricks.